In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove animations in Canva. So you're starting your presentation, then you have some animations that don't make any sense why are there, and you like to know how to remove the animations. So I'm going to show you exactly what you have to do. It's a short video, short tutorial, so make sure you watch this until the very end. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. So what you have to do here, actually let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you click on here on present, and then here you click on present, now here you see this, if I'm selecting here, I have this animation playing, and I don't want this, especially this actually is for the first one. As you can see, when it starts, I'm gonna press again. Okay, this one. So to remove this animation, maybe for text or for a layer or for an image, for an element, we're gonna have to go to animate here, and here we have actually two options. So we can click on remove all animations here, and this is going to remove the animations for all. But now if we select just one element, or here where we are in this tab, we click on animation. Actually the best way is just to click on here, remove all animations. For this tab we click on the other one, and here you don't see remove all animations because we don't have animation there, as you can see. Here we don't have, but here we have. So let's click on remove all animations, and now we don't have any animation. As you see, it's not playing any animation. Now you can also go now to add animation. Maybe you want to learn how to add. So if you click on text, and then if you click on text, we see here animate. So click on animate, and now we can add animation to our text. Let's say we add this one, and here on enter, on bold, intensity, character, words, and or we can also remove if you don't like, and then we can click on this element here, and we can add animation to this element as well. Okay, and now we see when you click on this slide, you can create another one or a page, and we click on it and we see animate here. Here we can again we have the option to remove all animations, and now we don't have animation. So that's what you have to do. I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more, and I hope you can have a fantastic day. Take care.